Hi friends, in my previous tutorial you have seen what are the column scans and what is the index scan. Now I am going to create an index in the collection and show to you how to use the index in single field. So now to check that, first we need to start the Mongo. So now I am starting the Mongo by executing Mongo command. Now Mongo has started. In that, first I need to check what are the DBs are there. So to check the DBs, just write show DBs. This is the command for it. Now I have these many DBs are there in my Mongo. So now I will connect to contact data. To use that, you have to just write use contact data, switch it to DB. Then what are the collections are there in that DB? I will just see once show collections. Now one collection is there, that is contacts. So now I will find what are there in that contacts collections. To check that, I just simply write db dot contacts dot find one. Find one is used to fetch one document. Now see, in my collection I have these type of documents. Contact of a person, what is the person name, gender, location, email, login, date of birth, registered, etc. In the DOB is the embedded document. In that I have a age field. Based on this age field, I will retrieve the data. Persons are there whose age is greater than 60. I will fetch all the documents. Further, to fetch those documents, I just simply write find query db dot collection name contacts dot find all the documents. Find means here I will put the condition that dob dot age. What is our condition? It should be greater than 60. Dot pretty. See, now check, these many documents are there. Age 64, age 68. So how many total how many documents are there? To check that, I just print the count 1222 are there. To see how the Mongo is fetching all the documents, we just simply go to this collection and then here you write explain command. Explain means it will explain how the Mongo is doing this scanning of the documents. See now, here it has written query planner. In the query planner, binding plan is there, that is the column scan. Column scan means it is going through all the collections in the document, all the documents in the collection and fetching all the required, means based on the condition it is fetching all the documents. Now to see the execution stats, here you can type execution stats. Now see, in my collection total 5000 documents are there. In that it is retrieving only 1222 documents based on the column scan, means it is going through all the documents and fetching this one. It is taking the time as execution time milliseconds 5. It is only 5000 documents, so it is retrieving quickly. But if the millions of documents are there, it will take some large time, right? So now to create an index on the collection, just you have to write the create index command. To write that single field index db dot your collection name contacts that. Here the command is create index. In this you have to give the condition what you have on which field you want to create the index. Now I am retrieving the data using dob.age. So here I will give this dob.age is the single field. So that we can give the embedded documents fields like dob.age or full fields. Here what it will take means 1 or -1. 1 means it will fetch and insert all the documents in a ascending order. -1 means reverse descending order. So now see our index is created. Before that it has only 1, now it has 2. So one default index will be there, that is based on the underscore id. So that is the thing before 1, and after that we have added another index, so it became 2. Now if see db dot contacts dot find here we are giving the condition, right? So dob.age here will be greater than 60. So now to check what is the execution plan it is taking, just write the before this one. Here it has taken, see now total keys examined 1222, documents 1222. It has not going through all the documents 5000, it is just checking 1222, and the execution time will be 3 only.